We're going to measure the friction between this block and two surfaces, table and sandpaper. First, we're going to have to get the weight of the block, 2 newtons. So we're going to write down our first data point. The table has to support 2 newtons of force. Now we're going to see how much friction that is. I'm going to pull this sideways. It reads about 4 tons. We're going to write down 0.4 newtons. Now we're going to add 2 more newtons to this. Now the table has to support both 2 plus 2. That's 4 newtons. Let's see how much friction that is. It's about 0.9. I'm going to add some more weight. Same deal. 1.3. For 6 newtons. That's going to be 8 newtons of normal force. And friction's going to be, looks like 1.8 newtons. Lastly, we got a full 10 newtons there. And we got 2.4. Okay, copy that data table down, and you can do your graph based off of that information. Keep going. Next, we're going to run the same experiment on sandpaper. So block is 2 newtons on sandpaper. We get a frictional force of 0.5. Can you see the table?
Yep.
We're going to add another 2 newtons. We get a frictional force of 1.3. Going to add another 2 newtons. Bless you. So now I've got 6 newtons. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Table has to support 6 newtons. We pull sideways. We get 2.4. Add another 2 newtons. Now I've got 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's 8 newtons. And we get 3 newtons of resistance there. And then our last sample, we're going to use 10 total newtons. I'm going to pull. Look like we got 3.6 for 10 newtons. Now you can use this set of data to complete your investigation.